Sheetal, we can't see you. Please come little more up. Okay.
I'm audible to you?
Yeah, little bit Sheetal, little bit in the middle, the screen. Okay. Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah. Good evening, all of you. My name is Sheetal. Basically a software engineer and also a healer. From past 12 years, I'm doing the professional healing, and I'm very much passionate about this healing. So I'm going to share my personal testimonials from very long time, like in a more than 10 to 12 years. I have this calcium deficiency from my joints. This I'm facing a very, and the crack sound used to come whenever I used to walk it. So this recently, due to the crisis of the water, from a third floor to down, I used to get the water and the severe pain and joints. It like too much of shaking the legs. I could not able to walk. The foot pain, calf muscles, knees, everything I was facing very severely. Even though I'm a healer, I used to heal it, but that moment it was got healed. Again, if I go and do the work, again that same problem I used to do. I used to get it. Recently, Dr. Madhusudan and Dr. Kashyap introduced this Healy to me, and also Sheila, she's also helped me to advise this, use this Healy and all. I took on 28th April, I took this Healy and I started within 20 days. My crack sound is got disappeared from the knees, from the knee, and also the pains also has got reduced. Today, it is 94% of my knee pain, calf muscles, and foot pain. It is disappeared. I'm very thankful to Healy. This is one of my personal testimonial. At the same time, I'm also a aura reader. I used to read the auras by looking the hands and all. I used to measure it, but this specific percentage of the hara is my research. It is very fast. I don't need to sit and do my hara cleansing and do meditation. Even though I miss the meditation, if I put the Healy and my ballistic seven chakras is going to balance very fantastically. This is the one of the healers. This device is the boon to us. It is like a universe is in our hand. I used to feel every time. And my own research, when I do this Healy, it is very fast accuracy, and it is work in the theta frequency. Most of the time we used to give the healings. I used to do the theta healing and also the crystal healings and all I used to do, but it is so accuracy it is giving, and the fastness is very important. Just giving curing it is not important. The fast is very important. This is the digital media we are staying in this world. So everything we required fast. This Healy is doing amazing and magical to supporting to every human being. Second testimonial, it is my father. He is an 74 years. The back hip bone, it has got very weak, and the doctor told that you cannot come out of this problem. We can reduce the pain. That's all. But when I put the Healy to him and Maggie Lee and both this Healy professional Healy, and he never used to believe it. But one thing I request everybody, when you have to believe yourself that whatever the diseases is there, it is got cured. You should feel like that. Then only this Healy, it will within a few days it will get disappear. But my father, it took 20 days because of that mind setup. Because of the mind setup, I forcefully used to make him to wear and do that. But afterwards, gradually, thanks to Healy, he accept his this Healy is working very nice. This is second testimonial. It is no pain at all. It is there. He used to walk very clearly. Third testimonial is my nephew. He has the asthma from the born. The wheezing problem it is there. I'm doing the distinct sealing from past 10 days. The wheezing has got reduced. Almost it is 60% has got reduced. This is the mind blowing and magical thing which I'm like to share this. Use this Healy for all the diseases. Whatever diseases is there, please use it. Closing the eyes and use it. It will work. It will work. You don't need to think whether it's work or not. You don't need to do it. It will work. Second thing, 2 days back, one of my neighbor, she is suffering from PCOD problem, very painful. She could not able to control. Even after going to the hospital, also it remains same for us. From past, like whenever she has matured, this problem it is there. Only 2 days distance healing, 1 hour, 1 hour I had given the PCOD problem. What she was facing the stomach pain, it has got reduced. And today, I morning I asked her, there is no pain. Amazing result. Everybody should use this. One family, at least one Healy should be there. It should be there. For me, it is not sufficient to strictly speaking. 24 bar 7, it is running my Healy. Only for the charging purpose, I used to charge it. Only that rest time I'm giving. Remaining whole night I'm using. I'm doing the distance healing. So many with my clients. It amazing. I'm thankful to the people who are organizing. The organizers are extremely professional. I love to Leena, Pushpadev, and Vikas Singh, Ashwini. They are doing very amazing work. I'm very thankful. Please continue this and give this to world. Thank you so much. Thanks to giving this opportunity. And she